So good thing about the system in here is if we go to iTunes, if you just click there, you'll see my car showing, there's a tick next to it. If not, just tick it. We'll go back here, click over to auxiliary. That's showing the record that's playing on here. Now if I just turn this up, give it a bit of volume. That's it. It's a real good audio system in this vehicle. Quite easy to use. If you can't get auxiliary, if you can't get the tunes playing, go into settings, just to check this, go down to Bluetooth, select Bluetooth, look at paired device list, click paired device list, and you see there you've got hands-free and audio. If you click on audio, just make sure that that's selected. See my phone there, select, and then click select. So that's how you do it. I hope that helps. Thank you.